Dear students, today's lesson is adverb clause of purpose. I have already given you the idea about adverb clause of time, place, reason, manner, etc. And today's matter of discussion is adverb clause of purpose. Now take down some examples and analyze the sentences so that you may have the clear conception about adverb clause of purpose and how you can use the adverb clause of purpose independently. Number 1, Hawkins trapped the animal so that he should not disturb others. I am repeating the sentence. Hawkins trapped the animal so that he should not disturb others. Then what is the purpose of trapping? So that the animal could not disturb others. Number 1, Hawkins trapped the animal, principal clause, that is independent clause. Number 2, so that, so may be kept within a bracket because so can be omitted too. So can also be omitted while you are writing the sentence. So that he should not disturb others. Subordinate adverb clause of purpose, and modifying the verb trapped in 1, that is in clause number 1. Now let us take the second example. I am speaking very clearly, distinctly and unambiguously, and also in a very straightforward style, so that you may understand the matter very easily. Now take down the second sentence. Please look into the matter so that we may live in the locality very peacefully. I am repeating the sentence. You may take it down. Please look into the matter so that we may live in the locality very peacefully. Suppose you have gone to the police station and you are writing an application. Please look into the matter, principal clause. That means you please look into the matter. So that, so can be kept under bracket or within brackets, so that we may live in the locality very peacefully. Subordinate adverb clause and adverb clause of purpose. Adverb clause of purpose and modifying the verb look into, and modifying the verb look into in clause number 1. Number 3, please help the poor boy with some books so that so that sorry, I am taking a telephone. এই একটা আমি কাজ করছি, এক সেকেন্ড, তোর মাকে ফোন কর বা দাদাকে। আমি একটা ভিডিও করছি, তুই দাদাকে ফোন কর না। So that he can continue his studies. Sorry for interruption. Please help the poor with some books so that he can continue his studies. Now the principal clause is please help the poor. Please help the poor boy, principal clause, with some books. And what is the purpose of help? So that he can continue his studies. So, please help the poor boy with some books, principal clause. Number 2, so that he can continue his studies. Subordinate adverb clause of purpose and modifying the verb help in clause number 1. If you ask the principal verb of the principal clause, why? It doesn't mean reason. It will suggest purpose. Another example, plant more trees around your house so that global warming can be checked. Please plant, you may omit please, plant more trees around your house so that global warming can be checked. Then what is the principal clause? Plant more trees around your house. Principal clause number 1. Number 2, so that global warming can be checked. Subordinate adverb clause of purpose and modifying the verb plant. What should be the purpose of the plantation? The purpose of the plantation is to check the global warming. Okay? Number 5, another example. Please take it down. I am discussing the matter very slowly so that you can grasp the matter. I request you to take some steps so that the culprits may be arrested immediately. I request you to take some steps so that the culprits may be arrested immediately. Number 1, I request you to take some steps. Principal clause, that is independent clause, so that the culprits may be arrested immediately. subordinate adverb clause of purpose, and modifying the verb request. Now we may conclude. And what should be the conclusion? An adverb clause of purpose should always start or begin with so that suggests purpose, and it must be followed by may, might, can, could, shall, should, would be, could be, can be, might be, etc. All these auxiliary verbs must follow the words so that. Clear? Okay, today's lesson is over, and try to practice at home. Thank you very much. Good night.